Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alam and today I am going to show you how to lock computer drives, how to make it password protected. If more than one person use your laptop or PC, your personal files are not safe. If you don't want other person to see your personal files, you can lock your drives, you can make it password protected. After that, only the person who has password can open your computer drives. So before I tell you how to do it, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that you can watch more informative videos like this. So guys, let's learn something new today. So guys, first of all you have to open this PC, then right click on the drive which you want to lock, then click on turn on BitLocker and this interface will open. On this page you have two options. Select first option, use a password to unlock the drive and create a password. That password should be alphanumeric and should have uppercase and lowercase, means capital letter and a small letter. You can read this. Password should contain uppercase and lowercase letters, number, space and symbol. So you have to create your password accordingly, and same password you have to type in both box, then click on next button and this interface will open. This is to save your recovery key. In future, if you forget your password, you can use this recovery key to unlock your drive. You can save this recovery key to your Microsoft account, to a flash drive, save a file, means same computer, you can print your recovery key. If you are going to save this recovery key in same computer, remember one thing, never save this recovery key in the same drive which you are going to lock. Always you have to save this recovery key into another drive. So I am going to lock D drive, so I will save this recovery key into C drive. I am going to save in document. I will show this recovery key in future. If you forget your password, you can use this recovery key to unlock your drive. Okay. Then you have to click on next button. This interface will open. On this page you have two options. Encrypt use disk space only. If you go with first option, only occupied disk space will be encrypted. But if you go with second option, entire disk will be encrypted. So I will go with second option, then click on next. This interface will open. On this page also you have two options. You have to go with first option, then click on next, and finally you will see a start encrypting button here. You have to click on start encrypting and encryption will start, and it will take some time. So you have to wait. Once encryption is complete, click on close button, then you have to restart your computer. After restart, if I go to this PC, you can see D drive is locked. If I double click to open it, it's asking password. Now only the person who has password can access this drive. If I type wrong password to unlock it and click on unlock button, you can see I will not be able to unlock the drive. But if I type right password and click on unlock, drive is unlocked. Now I can open this drive and access any file. If you want to remove password, you have to go to control panel. For that, click on the search box and type control. You will see control panel here. Click on it and open control panel page. On this page, you will see one option here, BitLocker drive encryption. Click on it and this interface will open. Now you have to click on that drive which you have locked. So I have locked D drive. Then click on unlock drive, and in this box you have to type your password and click on unlock. You will see more option here. You have to click on turn off BitLocker, then again click on turn off BitLocker, and your drive will be encrypted, password will be removed. So this is how you can lock your drive. You can make your drive password protected. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.